Hi guys, good morning. So now we're going trekking. So it's my first time going trekking in Singapore. We are going to Bukit Timah for trekking with my friends. Morning, hi. Wah, bagus lah pakai tights. Aku tak ada tights lah. Aku nak beli lah. Hai, morning. Assalamualaikum. So my friend, also known as my neighbor, he will be my tour guide lah, Made. And Umi will be my tour guide also because yeah, we have to find something to do. Okay, because we have been in Singapore for like almost 2 years. We cannot travel around because of the COVID-19 thing.
Kononnya makan dulu.
Nak makan today or makan Sunday or kira-kira Monday tak boleh. Like yeah. Monday is only 2.
That's B.
Oh, tak pernah aku nampak Al-Azhar macam gini. Al-Azhar selalu 24 hours tau.
Boy, you just go up. Ada driving instructor ni B. Jangan.
Okay, it's okay, no pressure, no pressure. Assalamualaikum Nas. Apa khabar? Ellie. Hello. Hello. Morning Zak.
Morning.
Hi. Hello. So here goes nothing. This is the start point, and then there's a toilet over there if you want to go toilet. Okay guys, the first part is quite steep guys. Wow. Okay, let me show you the view. See.
Buat patut post tau dah. Duduk ni, sama ni duduk.
So this is the first hard part. It's steep like hell.
Come and me dulu.
Okay. After that it's not that steep. It's gradual. Section quarry. Submit over here. So let's go.
Shorter road is steep.
Yeah, shorter road you can take the stairs. Or you can turn left, walk.
Guys, are we going stairs or jalan?
So Madi and Zak has already chosen their path. They wanted to go up the stairs.
I also want to go upstairs, balik jalan sini.
Okay, we go up the stairs lah.
No. If you want to walk, you can walk. Okay guys, let's go. Siapa nak walk, we just meet at the summit, okay?
Yes ma'am.
Okay.
So Nas, macam mana? Ni cakap takkan sweatnya, tapi sweat Ya. Inilah orang first time. Orang first time naik. Perlu play babe. After the stairs, you guys will be walking here to the summit. This is the summit. Like, I mean, what is this? Give me some challenge.
Doraemon. Doraemon juga tak bisa banyak ini. Dia the song. I don't know how to. Tapi dia kebalik lagi. Oh, my mouth never say that. No, like,
how you feel?
It's not cold. Okay, better.
So what's the advice?
Don't go on an empty stomach.
Yeah.
Tapi dia macam ada kerak-kerak. And eat your motion sickness pill.
Motion sickness pill, yeah. So that's a good advice. And then the other advice is bring a towel. Yeah. If not, you'll be like me.
Kau tunjuk satu badan kau.
Mari aku ambilkan.
Is it
Not like who? Bulu dia pun macam bulu. If not like who?
Even the bulu
like this one.
melekat to the hand already.
wet?
Tengok.
Can see your punat. Yeah. Okay, so must bring towel lah. Okay, so once you reach at the peak, you can do some exercise lah. Like you can do circuit.
Okay. 2, 3, 4. Come on, Zul, you can do it.
Okay, lepas tu you can do squat. Squat your pantat macam.
Yes.
Dia macam apa ni feeling.
Okay, then after that you can do push up.
Okay, let's go. Whew.
Okay. Or you can do burpee.
Kencang. Dah, satu je.
I mean, you can do like 10 counts, 20 counts lah each. Okay. Itu saja.
Dah.
Dengan muka kompet. Alright. Yes, what is it, Made?
I leave my mark
Yeah.
at the peak of peak.
So when you come out, you can just leave your mark here.
Yes, my
Yeah, then
pocket.
people will know that you are here.
And then there's
Yeah.
one butt crack.
That's a ikan sela kuning. Ikan sela kuning. Okay, so we decided to take the quarry track, which is 200 meters ahead. So we explore lah, give it a try. So if you take the quarry path, you come across this chalet. Chalet tak tahu.
Mana ada view?
Yeah.
Tadi tak ada view.
So over here you got a sea view. So if you come up here to the quarry, you reach here, you enjoy the view, and then there's a dead end here, right? And then there's a very big tower here, you can see. So it is advisable if you come up to the quarry, and then after that you can get this view. I don't know whether you guys can see the view. Okay guys, going down is not so much problem lah. Going down is quite easy, but going up, especially the steep part, very hard. Going down, you can explore lah. You can take this test, or if you don't want, you want to eat prata Al-Azhar, you just go all the way down. Back.
Because I see 1 hour 15 minutes, so I know it's still.
So we're going to explore. We're going to take the stairs down.
Nanti nak kena naik balik lah.
Yeah. Later we have to come back up lah.
Which body to come up?
The dead end, is it?
We got it on the other side. No, this one doesn't go towards the waterfall.
Waterfall lah, waterfall lah.
It is a waterfall.
Yeah, but it's a Singapore waterfall lah.
There's a big gate more.
200 meters.
Yeah, 200 meters je. Guys, 200 meters je. Waterfall. Ah,
Prata this way. Prata this way.
Can. The starting point will come out.
Oh, can lah.
can.
You want me to come through? You can. I can go down.
Never.
I say, he say. Sila.
Thank you.
Sini booking ini lutut. Ada bukit mencabar.
Oh,
Lutut ni
yeah.
kena pergi resko.
Jangan dah ikut
Yeah.
semangat dia.
Kena pergi resko.
But good advice is to bring a stick.
Yes, advisable.
Bring a stick.
3 point walking better than 2 point.
Or 3
This is 2
point.
point.
Ah, yeah.
2 point, 3 point. Transfer
Yes, correct.
40% of your
Terima
body
kasih.
weight.
Thank you ah.
Okay.
Hey, thank you. Bye bye.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullah. So this is the other path going down the stairs. Those of you haven't tried, you can try. Mungkin ada waterfall lah, tapi
Oh, Rifle Range Road.
Is very far.
That's far, man.
Have to, kan tadi ada cabangan.
Ah, ah.
You have to go to that right side. The cave.
Kau cabang kan? Tak faham.
Ya, bercabang dua.
Rifle Range Road is far.
so are we going to
Cabang.
all the way down then come back up again or not?
No, we're going to the cabang.
Okay, so you guys will come across this waterfall. Yeah, it's quite slippery. Try to walk properly. Yeah,
Boleh
so you can enjoy the good view. There's a waterfall. The water is from there falling. Yeah, waterfall. And then you can sit down by the waterfall. Is it cold? The air perigi? Air sungai? Nak mandi? Aku buka mandi sekejap, boleh?
Boleh, kau jom.
Aku sampai tak?
Zul, kau kena ambil video.
Kurang
Zul, kau kena ambil video. Ada music tapi ada sound tapi kau tak boleh tunjuk. Here the waterfall.
Ah,
Nak juga. La ilaha
Aku nak
illallah.
pergi tangan. Tangan itu melekit. Ah, my knee.
pelan-pelan. Boleh tak?
Aku tu last time je. No, it is good because aku kena set. Okay, jumpa kat Al-Azhar Bye. Macam ni. Mana kita take photo of you also. Oh my god, it's so good, it's so nice.
Sebab aku pernah, tapi bukan macam gini punya. Aku pernah mandi kat atas, kat sungai.
Oh,
Yang aku pergi dirt bike riding.
nice.
All the way up, then sejuk and felt very fresh. Not. They put the fence here so we cannot go in the cave. Hello. Assalamualaikum.
Hello pula.
Assalamualaikum. Hello. Okay, so it's good to explore. We found another cave. Yeah.
Zul, you must come. You must come.
Yeah, I know I must come. If I cannot come, I die. Apa ni? Apa ni? Oh, there's a water. There's a water. Okay, so this cave, there's another thing going on. Okay guys, so after trekking, hiking, you guys know where to go. Go for brunch at Al-Azhar. Okay lah, this is it. Right, take care guys. Right, Assalamualaikum.
Salam.
Take care. Thanks for joining. Bye Ali. Bye Zakira. Jangan. Okay, thanks for coming. Alright, take care.
Give me some water. I'm very thirsty.
Ambil semua.
No, just give me some.
Buka lah. Okay. Till next time insyaAllah. Bye.
Terima kasih. Bye.